Good afternoon to all of you. Sarvana Namaskar. I will tell about smart villages. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam had put a vision of developed India, developed nation, he had told about Pura, that providing urban amenities to rural areas. So if everything can wait, but agriculture cannot wait. So as a part of smart villages, we have taken, government of Andhra Pradesh has taken 2-3 initiatives which I would like to highlight. First thing, आईचं आरोग्य जर चांगलं असेल तर बाळाचं आरोग्य चांगलं असतं. त्या पद्धतीने जर ज्या शेतातून पिके येणार आहेत त्या शेतीची जी शेती आहे, जी मृदा आहे, ती जर आरोग्यदायी असेल तर ती पिकं कसदार आणि आरोग्यदायी असणार आहेत. त्याचा एक भाग म्हणून ॲट द पार्ट ऑफ सॉइल हेल्थ वी हॅव टेकन इनिशिएटिव्स ऑफ सॉइल हेल्थ अनालिसिस. So in last year, in 1 year, government of Andhra Pradesh has collected 16 lakh soil samples from soil collection for checking to results. In all stages, we have gone, you have used the tabs. So the field level functionaries will collect the data, that collect the soil, and it will send through tabs to agriculture officer. From agriculture officer, it will go to laboratory, and from laboratory, the results will also go to farmers through SMS and through tab. So farmers can take the printout of that, and on the basis of soil health, the fertilizer recommendations will be given, advice will be given to farmers. So first thing I will tell that if even at field level also, if we use this technology, we can have a sustainable, profitable and inclusive agriculture, because agriculture is related to food security. Second thing, for collection of data, what kind of crop is available in the field, that data will be collected on the tab through multi-level extension officers. So we have appointed around 6,000 multi-purpose extension officers and given 6,000 tabs to them. So what kind of crop is standing in the field, that data will be corrected and will be directly seen by the Chief Minister's dashboard. So if technology will be used effectively, this will help us in policy formulation. Even village level action plan also, we will feed all the data in the tabs at the field level, and it will go to taluk level, and from taluk level it will go to district level, and from district level it will go to state level. So सांगायचा मुद्दा आहे की टेक्नॉलॉजी खेड्यामध्ये शेतकऱ्यांना सुद्धा जर शेती किफायतशीर आणि शाश्वत पद्धतीने करायची असेल तर तंत्रज्ञानाचा वापर करायला पाहिजे. I feel very happy to be here. Thanks KMDC for extending invitation. Thank you one and all.